student, today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 16. Okay, local self government, class 6, social science. The first question is multiple choice, so you can directly copy down the answers. Okay, I have circled also the answers. Next page. The second question is filling the blanks. Here the answer is Taluka Development Officer, that is TDO. Fourth one is fourth from the blank side is district panchayat. Y last is YET. Okay, the spelling is. Then 10th one is Taluka Development Officer. Okay. Here the and 13th one is State Government and District Development Officer. The next page is. Then second question is put a tick mark. Okay, true or false are there. Then next page number 87, match the pair. Then question number 5 is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. The first one is Mamladar is an administrative officer of which category? The Mamladar is an administrative officer at Taluka level. Second question is who is the administrative head of district? The collector is the administrative head of district. Third one is what percentage of seats are reserved for women, members in corporation? There are 50% of women's reservation members in corporation. Fourth question is how long does mayor hold his position? The mayor hold his position for 2.5 years. The next page, question number 5 is what are local self-government organized called? The institution which administer local self-government are called local self-government organization. Sixth one is which are the village local self-government organization? Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat are the village local self-government organization. Seventh one is which are the city local self-government organization? The municipality and corporation are the city local self-government organization. Eighth one is what are the number of members of Gram Panchayat? The number of Gram Panchayat are minimum 8 and maximum 16. Ninth one is how is Sarpanch elected? The Sarpanch is elected through the direct voting by all the registered voters of the village. 10th one is what is called village secretariat. The officer of Gram Panchayat is called village secretariat. 11th one is what is the most important unit of local self-government? The most important unit of local self-government is Gram Panchayat. 12th one is what are the minimum and maximum numbers of the members of district panchayat. The numbers of the members of district panchayat are minimum 32 and maximum 52. 13 one is which organization work to give justice at a local level? The Social Justice Committee and the Lok Adalat work to give justice at the local level. 14 one is who handles the entire administration of municipality? The president of municipality handles the entire administration of municipality. 15 one is what is the administrative head of the municipality called? The administrative head of the municipality is called chief officers. Next page, question number 16, who elects the mayor? Elected member of the corporation elect mayor with a majority of their own. 17 one is who is the head of entire district? What other position does he hold? Collector is the head of the entire district. He holds the position of district magistrate and district election officer. 18 one is who is the administrative head at taluka level? How is he selected? Mamladar is the administrative head of taluka level. He is selected through the examination by the State Public Service Commission in Gujarat, GPS it's called, okay, or promotion. 19 one is how is justice done in the Lok Adalat? In the Lok Adalat, justice is done on the spot, both fast and inexpensively in a satisfactory and conciliatory manner for both the parties. 20th is who have established Lok Adalat permanently in the district of the state of Gujarat. Gujarat Bar Association and Gujarat High Court at Ahmedabad have established a Lok Adalat permanently in the district of state Gujarat. 6th one is answer the following questions briefly. What are the function of Talati cum minister? The function of Talati cum ministers are as follows. First point is he administers Gram Panchayat. Second point is collect the taxes. He works to make reports and prepares forms and keeps record of budgetary accounts. He implements the instructions of Gram Panchayat. Second one is mention any 5 function of Gram Panchayat. The function of Gram Panchayat are as follows: to give the number of each house in the village, to arrange the household and drinking water, to construct the public roads in the village, to get the village street clean, and to arrange the disposal of dirty water, to maintain the public properties. Third one is which committee are mainly formed in the district panchayat. In district panchayat, the committee like executive committee, standing committee, education committee, social committee, construction committee, health committee are the formed from the elected members. Fourth question is who handles the function of district panchayat. The function of district panchayat controls activities of gram panchayat and taluka panchayat and help them. They manages and controls revenue, education, corporation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. Held district health officers, district primary education officers, district agriculture officer, district social welfare officers, deputy executive engineers are in charge of district panchayat. Fifth one is write any 5 function of the corporation to maintain the public hygiene. यहाँ पे public है because लास्ट में C है spelling and sanitizations. Second point is to provide and distribute pure drinking water to people of city, to arrange a drainage system this fact for the disposal of waste water and rainwater. Fourth point is to clean up the city and dispose the garbage, to construct paved roads, maintain them and keep them clean. Sixth one is what is meant by local self government. So you have to draw this diagram. Okay, local self government पंचायत राज, then next उसके नीचे क्या है विलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बाद में सिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, उसके बाद यहाँ पे है ग्राम विलेज पंचायत, तालुका पंचायत, डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत, और सिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आता है म्यूनसिपैलिटी, म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन यहाँ पे. ठीक है, कॉर्पोरेशन स्पेलिंग है, देख लेना. पीपल इलेक्ट द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स बाय वोटिंग एट अ लोकल लेवल. दिस representatives administer that institution that is called local self government. This type of organizations are called organization local self government. Gram panchayat, taluka panchayat and district panchayat are called village local self government, and municipality and municipal corporation are called local self government. Okay, उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी टायर्स आर देयर इन द स्ट्रक्चर ओके ऑफ पंचायत राज. तो ये है इसका आंसर. देर आर 3 टायर्स ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पंचायत राज. देर आर 3 टायर्स ऑफ पंचायत राज आर एस फॉलोस. ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है, उसके नीचे लिखना है. फर्स्ट वन ग्राम पंचायत एट अ विलेज लेवल, तालुका पंचायत एट अ तालुका लेवल, थर्ड वन इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. ओके, ग्राम पंचायत इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूनिट ऑफ पंचायत राज. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज state the sources of income of gram panchayat. The sources of income of gram panchayat are first point tax like property tax, water tax, shop tax, cleaning tax, electricity tax, etc. Second point is grant from state government and central government, grant from the taluka panchayat and district panchayat, the amount received from the village people, voluntary contributions. Last point is income from the selling of cow dung, fertilizers and dry trees. Ninth one is how is the corporation administered. The state government appoints municipal commissioner and administrator the corporation. Various committees are formed from the elected members administrator the corporation. Among them the executive committee is the most important committee. Seventh question is answer the following questions. How is the gram panchayat formed? Gram panchayat is the most important unit of local self government. Generally a gram panchayat is formed in the village with a population of 500 to 25,000. The election of gram panchayat is held every 5 years. The members of gram panchayat are minimum 8 and maximum is 16. The entire village is divided into wards. The voters of a village elect candidates from each ward. The election for the sarpanch is conducted by the direct voting of all registered voters of the village. The gram panchayat elections are not consisted by any political party or on the symbol of any political party. This is how the gram panchayat is formed. Second question is how is the municipality formed? The state government appoints chief officer to administer the municipality. Various committees are formed from the elected members to administer the municipality. Among them the executive committee, the finance committee, the health and hygiene committee, the construction committee, etc. are main committee. Beside this the other committees are also formed as per the requirement. 8 questions, write a short note. The role of district collector in a panchayat raj. And the collector is the administrative head of the entire district. Second point, he also works as a district magistrate and the district election officer. Third point is he coordinates and maintains the administrative system at the district levels. Fourth point is he works as the secretary of the district planning committee, which is responsible for the development of the entire district. Fifth point is he determines the number of members of Gram Panchayat. Sixth point is he allocates reserve seats of Gram Panchayat. Seventh point, the collector determines the reserve position of the Sarpanch for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, socially and educationally backward people and women. In fact, the role of district collector is very important in Panchayat. The second question is social justice committee. A social justice committee is formed at the Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, district Panchayat level to create and implement schemes that provide education, health as well as social and economical facilities to the weaker and sections of the three panchayats. There are 5 members in this committee at the level of Taluka district panchayat. The formation of a social justice committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of the panchayat. Right? The function of this committee is an important जस्टिस ऑफ द वीकर सेक्शन. तो ये चैप्टर्स यहाँ पे ही ख़त्म होता है, थोड़ा फास्ट है, ठीक है. सो प्लीज़ अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.